Join me as I dive into the crazy challenge of figuring out if humans can actually colonize Mars by 2050. Colonizing Mars is a topic that has been on everyone's mind for decades. It's a tantalizing prospect, the idea of expanding our presence beyond Earth and becoming a multi-planetary species. But it's not just about curiosity, it's about survival. With the threat of climate change, nuclear war, and asteroid impacts hanging over our heads, having a backup plan is crucial. Mars, with its rocky terrain and poisonous atmosphere, is the most viable candidate for human colonization. But can we really make it happen by 2050? One of the biggest challenges in colonizing Mars is the harsh environment. The planet's atmosphere is too thin to support liquid water, and the temperatures can drop to as low as -125 degrees Celsius. Not to mention the radiation, which is much more intense than on Earth. Any human settlement would need to be able to withstand these extreme conditions, which would require massive technological advancements. Then there's the issue of distance and communication. Mars is about 140 million miles away from Earth, which means that any communication would be delayed by several minutes. Imagine trying to have a conversation with a 20-minute delay. It's not exactly ideal. Another major hurdle is the financial burden. Colonizing Mars would require an unfathomable amount of resources, from building massive spaceships to creating entire ecosystems from scratch. The cost would be astronomical, and it's unclear who would foot the bill. Governments, private companies, or perhaps a combination of both? The biological hurdles are just as daunting. How would humans adapt to the Martian environment, where the gravity is only 1/3 of what it is on Earth? Would our bodies be able to withstand the long-term effects of low gravity, or would we need to find ways to simulate it? But it's not all doom and gloom. There have been some incredible breakthroughs in recent years that have brought us closer to making Mars colonization a reality. NASA's Curiosity rover has been exploring Mars since 2012, providing valuable insights into the planet's geology and potential habitability. Private companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin are working tirelessly to develop reusable rockets and spacecraft capable of carrying humans to Mars. And let's not forget about the European Space Agency's ExoMars mission, which has been searching for signs of life on Mars since 2016. Take SpaceX, for example. Elon Musk's brainchild has been making waves in the space industry with its revolutionary technology. The reusable Falcon 9 rocket has slashed the cost of accessing space, making it more feasible for humans to travel to Mars. And SpaceX's Starship, a next-generation spacecraft, is designed to take both people and cargo to the Red Planet. It's an ambitious project, but if anyone can make it happen, it's SpaceX. But what about the role of governments in Mars colonization? NASA has been working on its Artemis program, which aims to return humans to the lunar surface by 2024 and establish a sustainable presence on the Moon. The ultimate goal is to use the Moon as a stepping stone for a manned mission to Mars. It's a bold plan, but it's unclear how it will play out. After all, government-funded space programs are often plagued by bureaucracy and budget constraints. One pivotal moment that could significantly change the timeline for Mars colonization is NASA's Perseverance rover, which landed on Mars in February 2020. The rover is equipped with an instrument that can convert Martian water into oxygen, which is a crucial step towards sustaining human life on the planet. Imagine being able to breathe fresh air on Mars, knowing that you're one step closer to calling the Red Planet home. It's an exciting prospect, and one that could pave the way for human settlement. So, can humans really colonize Mars by 2050? While there are many challenges to overcome, the progress we've made so far is undeniable. From technological advancements to private companies pushing the boundaries of space travel, we're closer than ever to making Mars colonization a reality. And who knows, maybe one day we'll look back on this video and laugh at how far we've come. Thanks for watching, and be sure to share your thoughts on Mars colonization in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more about space exploration, check out our video on the top 5 space missions that changed the game.